Hello everyone, thanks for joining me. I'm Connie from The Painted Photographer, and today's video we're going to use the Lapins, which is this bunny mold, and then we're also going to use Spring Garden. I love this carrot and the little tops on the carrot that they give you. We're going to use the IOD air dry clay, and we're going to create something pretty special with them. Join me as I walk you through the process of making a bunny mug. We're going to start off using the Spring Garden Mold, and I am putting cornstarch into the mold to help the air dry clay be removed a little bit easier. Using the cornstarch in all the crevices and then cleaning out the excess will help you to get the perfect release of the mold every time. This is IOD's air dry clay. It is the best air dry clay that I have ever used. You just put it into the mold, and using the micro rim on the sides of the molds, you will place your finger over the top of the clay and then just press and pull it into the mold, and the micro rim does all the work for you. You will get a perfect release of this clay, and it's all because of that micro rim that makes your job a lot easier. And I just flip it over, pull the mold back. Since they are flexible, they do flex, and then you can take your fingers and just remove the pieces of the mold that might just be a little bit intact. The top of this carrot was a little bit more delicate and detailed. I popped it into the freezer for a few minutes and let it freeze up just a bit, and then flipped it over immediately and released it. I needed to make lots of these tops of carrots, and I wanted that release to be as easy as I could. I am going to use this bunny mold Lapins on my bunny mug, so I needed to cornstarch this little guy. I know that he is sold out with many of the retailers, but hopefully soon you will be able to purchase it from my site at thepaintedphotographer.com. If you did get one of them, I hope that you've been using the heck out of him for this Easter holiday. What we're going to do now is use a Christmas mug. This is a pretty tall Christmas mug. It's ceramic, and I've molded out many of the carrots from the spring mold, some tops and one bunny and a couple peas. And so we're just going to place the carrots all the way around the Christmas mug using wood glue on the back side of it, and then we'll also just cut the bottoms of the carrots off. You want to stagger your carrots so that they're not all the same height. So some go higher, some go lower, and then just cut the end of it off using a sharp knife. I do the same thing with the bunny mold. I place him where I want him. He is the star of the show. I did want to make sure his ears were intact on the top of this mug, so I ended up cutting the bottom of this bunny off and placing the carrots behind him. The air dry clay has now sealed over on the top. It is still wet on the inside of the bunny and the carrots, but we are putting a layer of paint over the top of it so that it slows down the drying process, which will create less cracking for you. This is DIY's layered chocolate, which would be a really great color to put as a background for this bunny mug. After the two coats and the air dry clay have completely dried, I came in with DIY's liquid patina and gave it a nice seal. I did not want this layered chocolate to come through when I added more colors. I wanted it to stay put. And in order for the DIY paint to stay put, you do need to seal it. So I sealed it up with the DIY's Big Top, which is my ultimate favorite sealer. I came in and gave the entire mug a really healthy dose of that liquid patina. Now we're going to start the fun part of this mug. We have Liquid Sunshine, Summer Crush, and a little bit of Carnival Red. I am going to dry brush on these carrots. I take a little bit of the Summer Crush, wipe most of the thicker stuff off, and come in and dry brush the carrots. The IOD molds have some really great detail, which gives your carrots some life and just that added detail. Adding a little bit of the Liquid Sunshine brightens up that orange a little bit, and then I also add a little bit of the Carnival Red and the Liquid Sunshine for a brighter orange yet. After the greens and the oranges were completely done, I came in with vintage linen and went over top of the bunny. We are going to lighten him up. He is the star of the show, so he got some vintage linen in multiple coats, and then he also got a little bit of a pink tint to him also.
Try to leave, you still make me wanna stay. You ask me to believe in the world
Don't worry if your pink is a little heavy, he's still not complete. We're going to go in with a bright white, going over top of some of that pink. It's going to be underneath there, which is another added layer. I absolutely love putting layers on my projects, and sometimes you can't see the undercolor, but most of the time you can. And I'm adding a little bit of a highlight to the sides of my carrots and my leaves also for just a little bit of shape. And this bunny mug is turning out to be pretty darn sweet. What do you think?
She's got a hold on me. She knows how to drive a truck, but she lets me pick her up when we're going dancing. My heart starts beating when my headlights shining on her. She's my country girl.
After everything had completely dried, I came in with the DIY clear wax, and I very heavily put on this wax. I wanted to make sure that it got inside all of those valleys and creases and sealed up all of that paint. It actually brightens up the colors a little bit, and it's going to seal this mug not for drinking, but for decorative use.
She can let her hair down, but got her feet on the ground. I can't get enough of her. She can drive me so wild, just with that sweet smile, and there's nobody else for me. My heart starts racing every time I'm looking at her. She's my country girl. I couldn't tell you what she's doing to me. She's so damn out of my league. She's a little bit crazy on the weekends, dancing in her red dress, and I love the way she looks in my eyes. And I'm feeling like midnight's getting closer, and I just wanna hold her in my arms till the sun comes up. She's a little bit country. Yeah, she's my country girl. She's a little bit country. Yeah, she's my country girl.
What do you think? Do you like the front of the bunny mug or that sweet pea in the back? This little mug is so adorable. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy painting.